Hi there, and welcome to Everyday Excel. My name is Charlie Nuttleman. I am a senior instructor in the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering here at the University of Colorado. I've been teaching computing for over 10 years, particularly Excel and VBA. I'm really excited about this course that I've put together, Everyday Excel. I'm hoping to combine it with a Part 2 and a Part 3 that's going to be a projects-based course. All three of those courses are going to be wrapped together into a specialization. There's a lot of different programming languages that have kind of come and gone over the years, but one of the most long-lasting programming languages and computing tools has been Excel. Everyone has Excel on their computer. Lots of people around the world use Excel. It's just a really nice programming language to work with. It's very visual, and I'm really excited to teach you all about how to use Excel. So I'd like to welcome you all aboard. Please let me know if you have any questions along the way. But otherwise, let's go ahead and get started.